Wish you many happy returns of day. Happy birthday, Jinu.
Hey Udit, many happy returns of the day, brother. I know it's been so long since we knowing each other, and it's been a great journey. And I guess we've been knowing each other since 10 to 12 years, and since then, since now, you've been the same every time. You always had my back, and you always supported me in every ways. In some ways I've gone wrong, and but still you supported me in many ways. And from the bottom of my heart, I'm sorry. So whatever the things I've done, it has affected you, I know. But seriously, I'm sorry for it. The best part about our thing is, like, we have been growing our friendship since years by years, and we are still keeping the same, though we are separated by distance. Like, for pursuing a career, like, you have chosen your own path, I've chosen my own, but still, like, that bond, that vibe which we share is impeccable, and it's like unbreakable. So I just want to mention one thing, like, in my life I'll make many new connection, new bond, but the bond which I share with you is completely different. And it's about all of this because you hold a special place in my heart, and you have been, and you are the bestest in my life ever happened. And I'm blessed being a part of your friendhood journey, and hope we continue with this till the years ahead, and we have many years to go. And I just wishing you, but I have no words to express more. So here, I'm just wishing you a very happy birthday once again, and may you have the best year, best life ahead, and we fly to the Canada soon. Cheers, bye.
Hey Udit, wish you a very happy birthday, bro. I hope you are doing well. Uh, Let me finish it in short that when we met in Parallel Institute, the first day, I feel that you were the most loyal and honest person to me and to each and everyone in our group. And the late night project parties to going together to Pavagadh or Nareshwar or eating Sevsar in Mahakali to playing games in PlayStation, the Ajwa Road one. And I remember that every morning I used to call you in the morning that Udit, क्या છે આવે છે તું college? And you said હાલા બસ જો માંડવીથી રિક્ષામાં બેસે છું. I said okay આવી જાઉં હું પર જ ઉભો છું. And those were the moments. I miss you, bro, and miss you a lot. Just want to say some few lines. I don't remember, but just give me 1 minute. Those are like दोस्त का प्यार दुआ से कम नहीं होता, दोस्त दूर हो फिर भी कोई गम नहीं होता, प्यार में अक्सर कम हो जाती है दोस्ती, पर दोस्ती में प्यार कभी कम नहीं होता. अस्सलाम वालेकुम मियाँ. Hope to see you soon, bro. Catch you later. Bye.